2.2 greatest common factor. I can find GCF.
You guys all able to find GCF now?
Yes!
GCF can also be abbreviated. Our greatest common factor can also be abbreviated using GCF. And the definition for number 1 is the most important. It is the biggest factor that 2 or more numbers have in common. Let's go down and take a look at what that looks like. What method do we use to find GCF, everybody?
The smiley face method.
So if I give you 2 factors like 12 and 16, you are going to find all the factors for 12 and all the factors of 16 using the smiley face method. Once you've established all of those factors, you then are going to organize by circling the numbers that they have in common. Yes or no?
Yes.
So does 12 and 16 have 1 and 2 in common?
Yeah. Yes.
Does 12 and 16 have 3?
No.
Does 12 and 16 have 4?
Yes.
Does 12 and 16 have 6?
No.
Does 12 and 16 have 12?
No.
So we are done. We'll cross off our last 2 numbers. What is the biggest number that both 12 and 16 have in common?
4.
Number 2 is the same type of problem. Using the smiley face method, we crossed off the ones that did not have commonalities. We circled the ones that did, came up with 9. And then letter C just shows you that you can do this with more than 2 numbers. Please keep in mind that 12, 16, and 24, 12 has a 6, and 24 has a 6, but does 16 have a 6?
No.
So it has to be all 3 or all 4 or all 5, how many ever you're are trying to calculate, find the GCF. They all have to be part of it. They all have to have that factor in their list of factors. The cheat sheet then was really important. The fact that you guys talked about crossing off and circling was really big for the organization. And then we did realize that the GCF can never be bigger than what number?
The smallest number.
So GCF can never be bigger than the smallest number given.